That little device is called a pocket rocket. It's a little tiny stove. This is one of my favorites here. I have several different types of esbit pots, camping stoves, anything that I can carry in my backpack or on my person. This thing is great. They usually run for about less than $15 on Amazon, or you can get them at Walmart. And what you have to do is you have to purchase this can of jet boil, jet power. This is a large can here. They have the half cans also. This is a 16 ounces, the ones I usually carry with me. And I keep these in my backpack, so as you can see, when I'm up in my crane and I need to cook, I've got it on me at all times. You simply screw the little pocket rocket down onto the can, and you don't have to tighten it down tight. It's got a wonderful little rubber gasket on there. Make sure the little legs are spread out. Fold out the little top, and it has a self-igniter right here. See? Yeah, there's the spark. And you just turn the fuel on, just a little bit, and push the igniter. There we go. And you turn it back down. It usually takes a very low flame to boil your water or to cook anything. Doesn't have to be anything high. Now, because I like to have backups in case something happens, I run out of fuel, or this breaks, I actually have another stove that I carry this inside of as a backup. This goes right down here, and that is my esbit pot. You know what that is? This is a little camping stove as well. Comes out. You can put these little gel packs in there, or they got a gel cube you can put down on the bottom. Light it, and cook your dinner. So I keep all this together, like that, and the pocket rocket fits perfectly in there. My little gel packs in case I use the esbit pot. And I close it up. And I've got this little bag that I had laying around that I can set it all in, zip it up, and put it in the bottom of my backpack. If you decide to take a look at it over on Amazon, do me a favor. I got the link pinned in my comments. Copy that, put it in your browser, or put it in the browser over at Amazon. But remember, for some reason, whenever you copy a link off of here on TikTok, it always puts the username in front. You got to delete that username out before it will load up the link correctly. I do get credit when you go over there and check out something or click on something. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great day.